Hey guys, it's a quick minute video with this dishwasher. Sorry, I know it's blurry. When I push it back, it won't be blurry. Here's the dishwasher. This is my Kenmore dishwasher. Yeah, I have another request for, I don't know who, I can't remember who requested this video, but it's just a quick video to show you the ones that requested this video real quick. No, I'm not doing a full cycle with this right now. I feel like I needed to do more full videos with the washing machine more. I want to do more washing machine videos. That's what I plan on doing today. I'll drop it. Maybe I can drop a video tomorrow. Okay, maybe I can drop it tomorrow. But here are the dishes. Wait for this to cool down. It's got hot. It's heat dry mode. Here's to my dishwasher. Thanks for watching. And this is for you. That whoever requested it, that was just for the video. Short video. I'm out.